Hey guys, I didn't see you there. I'm just having a nice day in the water. Well, there's know what's out there inside, but look. You wonder why we look like ragdolls. You know why we were... Hey, yo! Fight me! Fight me! Fight me! Fight me! Oh, this is safe zone. You can't fight in the safe zone. Hey, get back with that rocket rocket! Get back! Like I said. Yeah, use a sword. It's more easier. Bring it down. Yeah, come out. Come out. Clear! Got him. Woo! Oh, he's coming for me. Hey, you back up. I got a weapon. Ouch. Let's go. Let's get out of here. He's right there. He's right on my tail. I must jump. Gotta do some parkour here, man. Run! Ah, he's right there. Come here, you shut up. What you got? Ah, never mind. He blows himself up. That's gives me more time to hide. Oh no, he's right there. He noticed. Ah, this is gonna take it forever. Oh my. Bruh. Okay, bruh. You want bruh? You want? Come here. Where you at? Yeah. Where you at? I'm coming for you. Yeah, that's what I get out of here. Let's no. Come on, let me in there. This is dumb. I gotta rejoin, guys. Go activate it. Activate ragdoll. Oh no, he's back. He wants to seize me now. Let's see how to do this now. Shut him in. Rose. Ragdoll. I ain't on mobile. I'm on freaking phone. This is so stupid. Ah, this is the only area. Oh. It's outside. Where we going? Oh yeah, I forgot about the food area. Why we should have did that last time? Oh, yes, oh, there we go. No, I know how to slide. I just had to click the run button. Slide! Woohoo! I did. Slide! I missed again. Woo! I made it. Oh, great. It didn't touch it. Oh. That has to do nothing. You just make me bounce. Oh my gosh! Ouch. Ah, got to start over again. Hey! No! Woohoo! What? Oh, shrimp! Ow! Oh! Checkpoint. He scores. Yay, now I'm out of here. Ouch. Slide. Guys, you see this? It's a bouncy house. Oh! Ah! forgot. Oh! Go in! I got in! No, I did not get in. What? I was in. No, but if I keep on doing that, we're not gonna get in. You know what? You know, guys, hold on. I gotta know I think I know what to do. We gotta do some wall jumping. Jump. I'm good at this. Oh shoot! Jump. Ah! No, bruh. I gotta figure out how to do this wall jump. What the heck? No, come on. Yeah, I'm almost up there. Oh shoot! Ah! We did it. Now we can get in there. No! It's too early. Guys, I gotta get in here. But my goal is just to get in there. It's hard to get in there. Alright, guys. My goal is not to touch anything. Alright, guys. My goal is not to touch green. Alright, calm yourself. Damn, man. I got 5,000 Robux. Fun of mind games. You're up. I think I know how to get up there. Up! No! I messed up again. I gotta do some porter. Okay? That's it. Get up this ladder. Whoa, we did it. Next level. Oh my god. I'm on fire, man. Oh no. Woohoo. Woo. Oh my god. What's going on? What happened? I'm back. Papa, what do you even get this bit to do? Huh? Sure? I gotta rejoin again. Every time when I die, the character doesn't. Hey. Back for revenge, baby. Umbrella. What's going on? I was sleeping. Anything happen when I'm asleep? Oh god, ouch. God, I didn't even get to try this out because I was getting chased by a maniac. Woohoo! I'm good at parkour on this game. Guys, this is just a ragdoll game. If you want to play it, I know I said this once, but the game is just called Activate. Activate ragdoll. I think it was. I think it's. Oh gosh! I just went through the wall. Yo, this area looks sick. What did I do here? What's over there? I didn't even get to go over here. The same thing. Okay. Boing. Look over here. Fish in my face. What's going on in there? It's getting haunted. I gotta figure out a secret, that man. We gotta find a secret. Progress. Wait, this is there. Yeah, this man's stuck. What? No, I gotta forgot to get in there. Okay. Oh no. Hello. That's down. I gotta forgot to get in there. He's stuck in there, boy. I don't know what's gonna go. There's a secret up there. Maybe that's where we have to go. How do we get up there? Let's find a secret. Oh, I get it. I gotta get higher. No. Oh, it's like wall jumps. Woo! Oh no, I'm right here. No, I'm right there. No, bruh, I gotta jump. No, yes, I did it. I'm not just gonna forget to get in there. Wait, secret. Ouch. What's this thing right here? Oh, that's just a table. Yeah, but no, we gotta take to get in this area. Oh my gosh. Let's go back. Hey. Any secrets? Whoa, we're in. This is where the part where that guy got stuck at. Oh my gosh. Wait, now I'm stuck. Help! I'm drowning. Ouch. Woohoo. Oh my god, that's a terrifying bumper fish. Is it gonna kill me? I don't trust it. I don't trust it too. Ooh. Hey, that's not a bumper fish, that's a squid fish. I'm out. Oh, yes. Wait, this is where you slide. I'm good at sliding. Ouch. Wow. We're gonna get in this race. We gotta slide. We made it in here. Alright, now let's get to action race. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh yeah. Whoa. Okay. This is like a race. You gotta make sure you're pro. Cause if you're not, you're a noob. Woo! Yes, I'm good. Whoa. I'm still good. Run. Jump. Whoa. Walk up. Line climb. Wide climb. Dang it. I was like one of these things. Oh my gosh. We're running like on a race game. But it's not a race. Alright, let's just figure out to get up there. Boom, bam, boom, bam, boom, bam, boom, bam, boom, bam. I gotta figure out what you do up here. Ooh. What? Yo. No. Ouch. Gotta start over again. If I fall, the video ends. Okay? But I'm not gonna fall. AK. Ah! Hey, I just saw somebody. I saw somebody. Let's bike race only. Ouch! Oh, I'm out, guys. Oh no! Ouch! Oh, am I going up? No. No. I gotta go on the side of it. Yes, that's how I feel. No! Stop! Stop playing the mind games here. No! No! Oh! You mean so? Not again! Not again! Not again! Not again! Stop! Stop! Let's go. No! No! Well, it wants me to do that again. Woohoo! A mirror. Ah. We gotta climb up. Boom, bam, bop, bada, bop, boom. Whoa! Ah! What? Nice! It's tentacles. Oh my god! I'm a mountain climber. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I gotta make it there. Woohoo! Okay. Let's put it up here. I've been scared. Oh, I didn't pay attention. Yo! Nothing else? Oh my gosh. Oh, oof. Yo, this game is good, man. Oh no, not this kind of thing, not this kind of treatment. If I just fall once, the video ends. Oh wait, I got what? Oh no, oh no, stop, 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 stop. Got a video. Oh no, something else above me. How am I supposed to get? No, if I fall all the way down, the video ends, man. I don't want to fall all the way down. Jump in the next one. Okay, we're going down. Everybody go down. There we go. We gotta jump. We gotta jump to the next side. Oh, no. Oh, gosh. No. Dude, I bet the fall to my death. Yo. Yo. Ah, God, sick head. No, let me up. Ouch. Oh, my gosh. No. Ah. From the year. She